Hello people, welcome back to Ma and Pa Cooking. This is your boy Sammy. I've got Ma behind the camera. But I've also got a special guest. Got my NANU. NANU, good luck. Well, we're making Handesh. I've got my Ma as well. Do you want to say anything, Ma?
Oh no, just say hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope everyone's well. Hope everyone celebrated the 50th Independence Day for Bangladesh.
Yep, and yeah, as you heard, we're making Handesh. So yeah, and my poor Bengali will be exposed in this episode. So don't judge me.
Yes.
It's all my mom's fault. She spoke to me in English my whole life.
Excuse me,
Yeah.
your dad was Bengali. Why didn't he speak Bengali to you?
Was
Your nana was Bengali. Why didn't she teach you?
Alright, let's get into the episode.
Okay, so let me just warn them that you know I can't cook Handesh very well.
Oh my god. It's already started, guys.
Oh dear. So I'll pass it over to Mum. She knows how to cook Handesh. I don't know what it is with her hand, but she just makes a perfect Handesh. So over to you, Mum. Amma, hera koya daglam banai tu. Yeah. So you just put 4 cups. So that's rice flour. 4 cups.
4 cups of rice flour.
None of that instruction.
No.
Is this 4 cups in here?
Yeah.
4 cups.
So that's 4 cups of
Flour.
rice flour.
Flour.
So what is this?
Rice flour.
Rice flour.
Yeah.
And this
So
one?
what?
And
1
then-
cup.
1 cup.
1 cup.
Is this whole thing just 1 cup?
Yeah.
It's already measured here. What's this one?
That's flour, all-purpose flour. So frozen flour.
All good though.
10.
So what is that?
Half the loaf. Half the.
This looks like poo. I don't know.
Agar mutun bole.
Is it 1 spoon?
No.
No. Half.
Half jar. This is sticky. No,
And
this smells.
really?
It stinks, man. This is nasty.
Don't say that. People love Handesh.
I don't like Handesh.
You're making it for your nana. She loves it. Your dad likes it. I've come to love it as well. It's pretty easy to make, but I don't know what it is with it just works out nice for some people. Okay. Have you washed your hands properly?
Yeah,
Yeah, all nice and clean.
I'll just do it again.
Yeah, do it again because
I'll try it. Funny.
that's warm water. It's not too hot, it's not cold. Kodan dito. You know?
وهيدا أمادي أعطيك خمسة
Don't make a mess. Come on, give it a good, she can't keep away. She wants to have a look. I think half the loo.
Listen, I'll give it that Nana, yeah? Nana's got the special ones.
Yeah, let's see how yours turn out.
Can you better than yours, mate? Because I've got Nana teaching me, yeah? Different.
Your nana, yeah, I need to learn from your nana properly.
That's right, you can watch this episode back.
Yeah.
You can,
Pani to treba to.
that's it.
Okay.
Enough.
then you can add a bit more. You can put some more water on it.
Della salty lo. Half the lo.
So we're going to add more of this black stuff because it's not enough. We're going to put all the measurements down below.
Add the lo.
Okay, so no,
What are the-
right, let's good to So just put half a teaspoon of baking
This is
powder.
the head you know.
Huh?
Yes.
That's it. Mix, mix, mix. There we go.
Put too much water in here.
That's alright. It's gonna when you set it for a little while, it'll thicken up. That's it. Okay, so that you've dissolved all the bits in there, haven't you? All the gold.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's it. So we're gonna set that aside for a little while.
How long?
What does your mama? Ask your nana. Ask her.
Pilar.
Ask her.
And that's it.
You need to ask her.
Show me that. I don't even know.
Go on, say it.
How does it? Just tell her that's it.
What does your Latin say or whatever? I don't know.
How to show me that one?
Half an hour.
Half an hour. And then fry it them.
For fry.
Okay, so that's it.
Alright guys, so we let the batter marinate for half an hour,
I'd say it was left for an hour.
an hour.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna deep fry it in some oil.
Yeah. So the oil's really nice and hot, and you know, you don't, once it's hot, you need to turn it down. So hold on. Look. Make sure you do it like your nana told you.
Come there.
This soup is lovely.
Come there.
Otherwise, you're going to get the batter everywhere. That's it. And about 3/4 full, please.
So ready na?
Ah.
Yeah.
Put about 3/4.
Yeah. All in one place. In the middle. Tiga sini.
I didn't put enough batter.
Huh?
I don't think I put enough batter.
No, I told you to put about
I
3/4.
put about half.
You put about. Oh my god, what's that? What shape is that? Definitely make that was it.
Okay, another two.
What is that? Come on, more practice. Practice makes perfect.
I'll try again. She's so disappointed.
No, the heck will be
Alright, this is attempt number 2. The first one didn't come out too well. Show you guys. As you can see, it's like deformed. So try again.
그래도 약간 너무 이제 아스타스 들어. 먹을라 한.
Okay, I'm gonna try again.
Try again. Come on, second time. Nothing.
Hey, this is the one, this is the one.
Yes,
this is the
is
one.
it?
This second
Let's
time.
see.
Oh yes,
Oh
it's puffing up.
yeah, it is actually.
무슨
Oh yeah, we did.
안 소라 옛날에 하고 있기도.
Oh yeah, of course, come in there.
You can see it.
Yes.
Okay.
Look.
Alright, you're gonna get oil everywhere. That's it. That's really good actually, Sammy.
나이스 있어.
Nice, is
See, this is attempt number 1. Attempt number 2.
Let's see what the third one turns out like.
비야 하루에 가거든요.
Huh?
비야
Oh, no.
어디 가봐.
She's got the giggles.
다리 비하로 난다 됐다.
Tin boss is that?
뒷버섯을 부러지고 알아. 집에도 막 벌써 뒤질 때 벌건 봐.
나는 다말 기다.
난 너가 안 하고 뭐 너도 안 하고 힌디가 다리지 나는.
네.
아 힌디. 힌디 다리.
또 플라이 훈훈다.
그냥 섭체 그다 플레이트는 게.
Nan's got more ideas than you.
Oh, really?
She's better than you though.
Okay. Do that look like you have to change the name. Nanu and Nati.
As you can see, I've fried a few here. Turned out pretty good. Balani.
순도했어.
Shouldn't
나이스.
How's that?
배가 얼마 대만에 있다 순도로리야.
What's in me?
No, well done, Sammy.
Thank you. Yeah, well, that's it for today's episode, guys. If you did enjoy, make sure you do leave a like and a comment. Nano, enjoy for today.
Biryani's next.
Mind
Sounds
if I-
like.
Biryani? I'll be sure.
This is the one.
나 비슷한 거 나도.
No? No. We'll see. Mind, any final words?
No, just well done. I think they've turned out better than some of the ones I make.
What can I say? Everyone's saying I'm better at cook than you now.
Well, I haven't had your cooking yet. I think I've said that before, but
먹는 이제 먹는.
nah, really see.
Alright guys, my nana wants it to end, so we'll see you later. Take care.
Bye, bye everyone.